Grokking Deep Learning in Motion is the perfect course for people who want to learn the theory behind deep learning. You'll learn to develop deep learning algorithms from scratch without using any framework. While we cover complex topics, it's geared toward beginners.
I'm a beginner.
You don't need to know calculus,
I don't know calculus.
but you do need to know some high school level math and basic programming.
Aw, man!
This course is based on Andrew Trask's popular Grokking Deep Learning book. We'll be using Python and Jupyter Notebook. We'll cover the fundamental concepts of deep learning, and by the end, you'll be able to build a deep neural network from scratch to solve real world problems. So get the course and begin your journey into the world of deep learning.